everyone, I am back again. This time the challenge is to do the mould and paint. Funny face fridge magnets. This is also the first time I've ever done this one, so this is going to be fun. Okay, let's get it open. Right. Aha, we got it. Oh, that didn't sound very nice. Let's just have a look. Safety messages, other remarks. Yep, it says we need a flat surface. This is a flat surface. How long does it take to do? Apparently it starts to harden almost straight away. So you should be fine. How big? Oh, okay, excited. Sorry about the noise. Aha, yay, woo, got it. That's one challenge done. Oh, here's the mixer bowl. I guess I don't need mine. There is a not bad quality brush actually. Usually I have like really cheap ones. Okay, so there's the plaster and paints. Oh, and a magnet strip. Oh, I was going to say not very strong, but yeah. Maybe I shouldn't stick it to the freezer. Okay, that's going to go over there. And I don't know what this is for. Oh, right. They're showing diagrams. No, wait, that's painting. Oh, this is the mixing tool, I think. And there is the mould. How hard can this be? It says you need 50 to 70 mils of water. I have water here, but I don't know how much is in it. Bear with me, guys. I'm going to go find my jug and make sure I have 70 mils of water. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I couldn't find a jug, so I did it the old way. A tablespoon is roughly 15 mils of water, so I did 4 of those and one that was 2/3 of the way. That should be about right. Are you sure all that plaster is going to fit in there? Use for moulding. So I'm going to put it in there, in the bowl. Slowly add the water, keep mixing it until it goes smooth, like a batter mixture. And then I've got to pour it into the mould quickly. I guess I'm doing this in batches because the bowl's not big enough. I think that's about right. I suppose it doesn't matter how much you use, because when you mix the water in, you've got to keep doing it until it's a smooth paste anyway. Okay, I think this is going to take a while, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll get back to you once I've done this step. Okay everyone, I'm back, and after mixing quite a bit of water in there, it definitely looks almost there. A little bit more water. Right, that definitely looks like a smooth paste to me. Okay, let's get pouring. I don't know how long it says to leave them for. Put the plaster mixer into the cavities, but I couldn't pour it out to do it. Agitate the mould to get rid of any bubbles. Plaster mixture and mix from one bag of plaster. Well, I've still got half a bag of plaster left. So I presume what they must have done is they must have had the 2 bags but put it in one. I know these are not perfect, but these are a test. And once I've demoulded these, I can always make some more. Just leave those unfilled for next bag of plaster moulding. Or you may not be able to fill all the cavities. Just leave those unfilled for the next bag of plaster moulding. there is sufficient plaster to finish the project. Once it's fully hardened, gently press the mould from the... Right, you have to put it onto a cloth. That's all you have to do, is just empty them out and put them onto a cloth. Yeah, they don't look too bad. Not from the front anyway, there's little holes. I don't think I did too bad for my first attempt. Next time though, I will use a bigger bowl. But I might be able to do a second attempt later. Just do a quick video of me demoulding these, but I will do another set if I'm off camera. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys. Okay everyone, quick update. I just went to tip this upside down to see what would happen. And then remove my t-shirt over a bit. I'm using a t-shirt to put them on. And watch what happened. They all just popped out. Well, I kind of helped them. They're not too bad. I mean, it's still a bit tacky on the top. So, I'm going to put these on a bit of kitchen towel to dry out. And I'm going to make another batch and put it in here, and then I will show you the finished product of once they're all done like this. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys.